Hey everybody. So as you all know, on BD, there's a way to make the URL of the members fixed, meaning it doesn't change every time the member changes their own contact details information. So let me show you what I mean. Let's test with this crazy dude here. Let's log in. Remember that on the back end, you are able to go to the search members section and you're able to log in as that member through here. So we go here, we go to actions, log in as member. And when you click on logging as members, it logs you in as the member. Holy mother. So let me click here before we actually change the URL of the member. This is the public profile, just in case the terminology there, public profile of the member. And you can see that the URL here is California / Los Angeles / food / the name of the member. Okay. At least that's the structure there. If we go to contact details and I change something there, let's say that now my name is my second name, for example, and I'm not in the food industry now, I'm in the software one. And I moved from California to Texas. Okay, something like that. There we go. And I save that. The moment that you save the contact form, this is called the contact details form. When you save that, it also regenerates the URL for this member. So it adapts to the new information from the contact details. So if you click on view public listing, you'll see that the URL changed to that new information. So now I'm not in California anymore. I'm in Texas, Texas City, the category, and then my name. Okay. Maybe you don't want this to happen. So for that, we would go again to actions, quick edit, and there's a special area, an advanced area here called advanced options, where you click there. Again, I'm going to repeat actions, quick edit. I'm not logging in as the member. I'm just clicking here on quick edit. On quick edit, you're able to edit certain things without logging into the member. So you can see, the status of the member, the membership plan that they're in, what type of member they are. Are they a company, individual, category, top category that they're in, etc., etc. There's some certain things that you can do with that member information, how they show and when they show on the search results, and then more advanced things. Specifically, SEO stuff that you want to show on that member's public profile, specific stuff for them, and then this one. This is the one that you want. So let's say that you do not want the member to the member's URL to change over time. Every time they do something, every time they change their contact form. So check this out. Check the box there, and let's change this to Luis. Let's save it. Okay. And now let's double check that it's saved. There you go. So I'm gonna go and search. I'm like a normal member. I'm searching in the site, and I see this member. Ah, okay, Manuel. Ah, okay. Let me click on it. Look at the URL now. It's a fixed URL. It stays like that. It does not matter if I actually go to my own profile and I change something here. It doesn't matter. So let's go to entertainment. Let's go to comment, like a very specific place there. Let me save it here. And you can see that I changed the city, I changed the category. And if I go to my profile, my live public profile, it still keeps and respects my URL. It's fixed now. This is great when you want to promote the members or the companies or a specific one there. Some of the partners actually do this, but this is a great way of doing it. You do not have to do heavy stuff. You only need to go to that specific member, quick edit that one there, and go to advanced options and you change it here. The only exceptions is for customizations that we've been asked, so that maybe you do not want to do it. You want the member to do it. So they would have a special field where they are able to type which specific URL they want to use, like in this case, like mine here, and it also detects if the URL already exists. So it tells them no, you can't use that one. It's like Gmail. You can't use an existing email account in Gmail. So same thing, it would tell you that, and they'll be able to change that. You can also put rules like you don't want them to change it, so many times a month, or maybe once or twice a year, however you want to handle that. But the good thing is that it detects existing ones and it doesn't let you do that. Um, and it gives you the member the ability to put their own URL, their own fixed URL. But that will be the only customization exception that you would actually need a customization to do, because you as the owner can actually just go here, your staff can just go here to the actual member, click quick edit. It's not gonna kill you there. Click advanced options, check this box, and just put the URL that they want it to. And that's all. That's all that you need to do. So with that said, think positive as always. Love you all and big hugs, okay?